they just beautiful. These are some crocus, probably firefly, just coming up in our lily pots. One of the earliest flowering crocus, and they will be much appreciated, and the later flowering crocus as well. Filming this in very, very early February. As we go through February and towards March, as the days warm up and the insects start to come out, the bees and the pollinators, they will appreciate those flowers when they open, and they tend to open up more in the sunlight. And today's a bit cloudy. But what I wanted to show you, I'm not sure if you're aware of this, is that if you've got an iPhone, like me, there's my old iPhone there. I've just taken a photograph of these here crocus, and I'm using my new iPhone 16 Pro, I think it is, which has got the ability to kind of focus close up, a bit of a macro option on it. What I wanted to show you that's available on both my previous iPhone and my new one, I'm not sure if everyone's aware of this, is that, have you ever seen a plant that you're walking around and you think, I know I should know that plant, but I don't know what it is? Well, with the iPhones that I've had, this was an iPhone 11 and my new one is an iPhone 16. Once you've taken your photograph, if you tap on the photograph so that it gives you this little symbol in the middle there, can you see it with a little leaf on it there? That tells you that the camera has, or the software has recognized that you're photographing a plant, and if you tap that symbol, there we are. It has the ability to recognize plants and name them for you. So that is, I find, absolutely amazing. And if I'm honest, it seems to work more with general species as opposed to specific varieties. So it won't tell me that's crocus firefly. And is it 100% accurate? Maybe not. But it's very, very good. I would say at least 90% accurate, and it's free of charge. That's the thing. So I had some various apps and things that I'd previously downloaded to help me do this, and they were forever trying to get me to pay for a subscription to get, it was a bit of a, as we say in Wales, a bit of a potch. This is magic, and it's included with your iPhone. By the way, I'm not on commission to iPhone. I just love this facility.